So if you're someone experiencing dark spots, like you have dark spots all over your face, look, I have already been there before. I'm going to be showing you products that you can use that will help eliminate that dark spot. Like, if personally, I hate dark spot on the face, so I'm going to tell you the simplest way you can do it. Whether you're fair skin or you are dark, I'm going to tell you the easiest way for you to get rid of your dark spot. Okay, let's jump right into it. So the first thing is to use your vitamin C serum. Okay, vitamin C serum is going to help brighten your dark spots. You have to use it especially in the morning. Personally, I use my vitamin C serum both in the morning and at night. Do you understand? So maybe that's what helps get rid of my dark spots. I do have pimples sometimes, but when they are healed, you won't even notice not even one dark spot on my face. So it's very important you use your vitamin C serum. I have this one here. This one is also available for sale, and this one. Look, some people will come and tell you, oh, these ones are cheap, it's not going to do anything. See, use me as an example. I have used tones, especially this one. I have used a lot of Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. Okay, I sell it too, so I use it a lot. I can say that this one have helped my skin brighten so well. So another thing you have to do is you have to get Codivite. Okay, this product contain a lot of brightening ingredients. You have to get it if you're someone who is really dark skin. The way I will advise you to use this product is you have to use it to spot treat. What do I mean? You have to, whenever you're done showering or maybe cleansing your face, you use, maybe bring out a little size amount and use your hand. Make sure your hands are clean. Then everywhere you think you have dark spot, you pat it in there. Like, you pat it in there, because this product have the ability to brighten, like lighten your skin. Okay, so but if you're a fair skin person, you can use it all over your face, but it's also advisable to spot treat. Do you understand? So when you're done spot treating, the places that you do not have dark spots, you can apply your moisturizer there. This is what you keep doing until you see the difference. Because if you do not spot treat, like I said before, these products have the ability to lighten your skin. So if you do not spot treat, the part of your face that is normal, it doesn't have any dark spot, it is tend to lighten up more than where there is dark spot. So you have to spot treat until you get the consistency, the color you're looking for. Do you understand? So I said, let me just come and tell you, just in case if you're struggling with dark spot and you do not know what to do, come and buy this one. We have them all available. Okay, I will catch you in my next video. Bye.